Understanding, I owe you an apology, a guide to expressing regret. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the phrase, I owe you an apology. This expression is a heartfelt way to admit a mistake and express remorse. Stick around to learn how to use this phrase effectively and understand its nuances. Let's make your English communication more empathetic and respectful. I owe you an apology is a formal and sincere admission of wrongdoing. To owe someone something means you are in debt to them for something you haven't yet provided. An apology is an expression of regret for something wrong you've done. Putting these together, the phrase means you recognize you have done something wrong to someone and you need to make amends by apologizing. This phrase is best used in situations where you realize you have made a mistake that has affected someone else, want to take full responsibility for your actions, intend to express sincere remorse and wish to make amends. It's a powerful way to show maturity and respect towards the feelings and experiences of others. Apologizing with the phrase, I owe you an apology, does more than just express regret. It acknowledges the feelings of the other person, showing empathy, begins the process of healing and repairing the relationship, demonstrates personal integrity and accountability. Understanding the impact of your words is crucial in meaningful apologies. Let's look at a few examples. After realizing you forgot your friend's birthday, you might say, I owe you an apology for forgetting such an important day. If you accidentally shared confidential information, I owe you an apology for breaking your trust. Shows you understand the gravity of your mistake. I owe you an apology is a powerful phrase that conveys a deep sense of responsibility and remorse. Use it wisely and sincerely to mend relationships and show your integrity. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use this expression effectively in English. Remember, acknowledging our mistakes and seeking to make amends is a sign of strength and character. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.